Alrighty, traders, let's jump into our daily recap. It's been a couple days since we did a daily recap, since we haven't closed any trades this week until today. But we had a whale of a day today, so let's get into the daily trade recap for Wednesday, 7/26/2023. And let's take a look at where the account is at the end of today. So today was Fed Day. We had the Fed announcement. They raised 25 basis points, no surprise to anybody on planet Earth. And they really didn't change much of their view. We knew they were going to say they're going to continue to monitor things and they're going to stay on the vigilant watch for inflation and employment. So that being said, no real shockers today. Let's look at how we did on the market. And since I'm on vacation this week, we're going to make it brief today, not really going to get into a market commentary. But overall, we had Delta drop to about negative 24. Extraordinarily Delta neutral, perfectly fine with us. Happy to be a little bit negative at this point in time. So great Delta. Theta dropped a bit to 714 at 0.25. Again, we're a little light on Theta. But again, when the markets are at this high level, you're going to have a lot less premium in things with volatility being as low as it is. So it's not too bad considering where we are in the market. Netlick jumped up today to 284.880 on this Income Navigator account. That is a new all-time high. So we continue to hit new all-time highs this month in the account, which you should be hitting every month for the most part. But new all-time highs in this account, which again, we started this account at $30,000 just a couple of years ago, had a huge 80% up year last year with the market, as many of our 112s ended up in the trap. And we're having a good year this year. Made some mistakes, but we've had a pretty good year overall so far. So we're up doing very well on the year, up about 15% almost, at a little bit past the halfway point. So we're on track for a 30% year or better. BP usage dropped today to 138, which is 45%. So BP at its lowest amount that we've had in quite some time, about 46%. So fantastic. Accounts up, buying power is down, or BP usage, I should say, is down, which is giving us some room to put some new trades on. So let's see what happens after this Fed announcement is over, which was a nothing burger today. But I'll bring your attention to today's daily realized gains, $9,415 on the day, putting us at $17,650 for the month, which is a 6.33 return on the month with a couple of days to go. We're now up from a Netlick standpoint about $6,000, which is a little over 2%. So Netlick is moving up decently on the month as well. So we're having a good month overall. If we take a look at the trades that we had closed today, let's get into it. So it's Wednesday, and we close our weekly strangles today. Again, these are not strangles that we put on 1 week out. These are 90 DTE strangles that we close a strangle every single week. Once we ladder them on, we have strangle in ES and a strangle in GC. Now the GC strangle closed today at 54.9% premium capture, which is a 13.3% return on capital. Fantastic. Exactly 4 weeks, 28 days in that trade. So gold continues to really carry us quite a bit. ES continues to struggle as we hit these new highs on the markets in the S&P. Still putting some pressure on the strangles. However, we did close our most profitable strangle today. We'd only been in it 7 days. We took out 16, almost 17% premium capture, $400 on that trade for a 5%, 5.9%, almost 6% return on capital. So today we netted out 1,300 in our weekly strangles. Good week this week. So again, only using about $12,000 in buying power. And we made 13,000 on those trades in within a month time. And then we had Amazon. We had a put and call that we took off our synthetic long puts and calls today. So we took off our synthetic stock position. The puts we took in a little over $2,700 in 119 days, about a 60% return on those. And the calls, we were able to move that up by 77%, almost 78%, took in $5,355 on the call side. So overall on the day, fantastic day, $9,415 to the good. We put on some new trades and we're ready to go for the week. That'll wrap up the trades for the day. Again, a fantastic day in the account, new all-time highs, Fed's over, time to move on to some new trades. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Take care.